Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up LAOSGE Super Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Fitfully unpack the LAOSGE Extender box. Inside the LAOSGE Super Wi-Fi Extender box, you'll find the extender unit itself, a power cable, usually attached, and a quick start guide. Additionally, there's often an Ethernet cable and a warranty card to get you up and running easily. Now plug the LAOSGE Super Wi-Fi Extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the power LED to turn solid, not blinking. Locate the WPS button on your router, usually marked WPS or has a circular arrow icon. Press and hold this WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on your router will start blinking, indicating it's in pairing mode. Within 2 minutes, go to your LAOSGE extender. Press and hold the WPS button on the extender for 2 to 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi/signal LED on the extender should start blinking. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. Once the Wi-Fi/signal LED turns solid, it means the extender is successfully connected to your main router. Some models also show signal bars. More bars means better signal. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it into a socket and wait for the power and Wi-Fi LEDs to turn solid again. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.